How to fix WhatsApp status not showing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also enable airplane mode for the time being and then toggle it off again, and this will restart and reset your network settings and give them a fresh refresh. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar you see there and search for WhatsApp, and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app, as outdated versions often cause glitches in status and other functionalities. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Next fix for this issue is simply open WhatsApp on your device and then go ahead and tap on the settings option. Further, tap on the privacy option you see there and you will see the option for status. Tap on that, and in here make sure that you have not muted your status from many people, and make sure that they have not excluded you from viewing their status. You can also then go ahead and open the updates tab and then scroll down to the bottom for muted updates. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then in WhatsApp again, tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the storage and data option. Further, tap on the manage storage option you see there and then go ahead and delete large files in your phone if your iPhone is almost full. See if your issue was fixed yet or not, and if not, then open settings and tap on general and then tap on the background app refresh option here. Here, tap on background app refresh and make sure it is set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. Further, scroll down to the bottom and make sure the WhatsApp toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and enable WhatsApp. Also, go back to settings and then tap on the screen time option you see there and then tap on the app limits option. Here, make sure the WhatsApp application is not restricted. See if your issue was fixed yet or not, and if not, then simply go back to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp application and then tap on remove app and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Delete the WhatsApp application and then reinstall the app from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp status not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.